Slow, death, die, slow, slow, death, die, slow, death, lock it, death, slow, die, slow, death, bitches. Get on the level. Slow bitches. Slow. Death bitches. Death. Slow bitches. You die daily. You die daily.
Death bitches. Why they always bullshitting? Dealing with depths, dirt. All the people in the background getting murdered. Lying, deception, greed. Fake motherfuckers acting like they need you. Gotta stay above all of these cars.
Dark room.
Don't be afraid of dark
woods.
Dark woods. Don't be scared of that shit. Just take it in. Manifest your solar plex to make it stand. Don't be caught up in the mischief. Be plain. It's okay, you don't have to give them the expression, let them be blank. It's alright to these motherfuckers, they don't understand the way that we try to be able to be above it. We try to glide above the stars, we want to be amongst the ones that went against all odds instead of being like the ones that do shit just because. We out here with a real ones, we don't give no shits. You think that this is the game? No, we don't give no shit.
Die. Slow, die.
Told you that I would not listen, turn into one just like them. I know that they were that motherfucker. I know they wasn't really fair. I know they were trying to try to be real. To waste my time, I hold them. It's scared. Look at this shit. I don't understand this shit. No, this just can't be real. Losing my mind in time. Wish I can hide. I can't find this place in my heart. And this confined. This is useless. I used it and now there's no space. I'm just trying to get away from this place like I'm trying to change my state. You are my space. Oh, my point of view. I just vantage point. Look at this shit. Damn, I'm trying to get these rusted blades at the shelf and let me take advantage of my joints. I don't know what's wrong with these niggas that think that I'm the same, but I was just trying to leave the atmosphere. These niggas is lame, nigga, I'm out of here, I'm gone. Can't come back now. Look at these niggas, they can't hear me in the background, stagnant. I gotta stay up in my focus. I'm a hand, I find what the dope is. Go on my mind, I go get it. In my mind, I know I did it. I promise that I'm so narcotic that y'all niggas just understand that I wanna be right here with myself. But guess what? I'm not alone here. I don't really give it with this stage nigga on level. I promise I'm out here to start yelling about this shit like comments on my own. Please save your comments.
Fuck it, you not playing, look at this, hit no test, wanna take a little bit of this, take a little bit, we can trip it. Bam, back to the basement. Then what happens when you gotta face some shit? Now you gotta get away from all of this faking shit. Too many people are around you, don't really got love for you, they got your back, they ain't even got your heart like that, they ain't even got your characteristics like that. These niggas gotta get you, probably believe in plotting. On my shit, watch me, I be perfect. They mad cause I'm on my trip, and I don't give a fuck, I don't like swerving. I'm like, I'm on my mind, that's how I do when I'm like this. Look at my mind is different. Let my soul speak to the soul. Get it? Get some of that, man. Get it off the family. Watch out for this fake motherfuckers mislead you. Talking about their family. Damn, this is insanity. Building up there trying to take it. Making me feel like I'm the one that's crazy because life made me. But it's okay. I was trying to make it. I was trying to make it. Monetize my mistakes so I'm not stuck here thinking about how I could have made some shit. Fake shit. Nah, that's not me. I do this shit 100 as I could possibly good. -3, you know, cops, lawyers, judges, you know, that's how they go. And they sit back for these niggas and leave me alone. Dripping. Wish it could have been different, but I'm growing distant. She's looking at me like I'm pushing her when she's running away from me again. I don't understand it. I'm fronting outlandish, wishing that she would've grasped me, give me a hand, but she didn't wanna do that. I'm like, damn, how could this be? I thought we were more than that. Why would you treat me like something you wanted to board that? I don't know, that's a known fact, because you don't wanna be next to me. All you wanna do is talk down on me and then I'm gonna be flexing on me. I don't know what's wrong with this shit, baby. We can get it together. Maybe we can remold ourselves and mold this together. But it's okay, we'll make it through this bad weather. We stick together. If we don't, then you already know. Nah, hold on.